fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to kind of show you guys all of my finishes so far for my September challenge. So for those of you who are new and unaware, for the month of September, I challenged myself to see if I could do 30 by 30 canvases in 30 days. So during this month of September, I'm trying to see if I can basically complete a canvas a day. 20 of those minimum will be full round, and 10 of them max will be partial. I may be playing around with those when I get closer to the end of September to see how many I have done. But I'm about a third of the way through, so I thought I would show you guys what I have finished so far. So first step, we have this adorable, cute little elephant. This is from FGOBY, and I just think he's adorable. I tried to write down some notes if I had anything to say. Um, I am eventually going to be cutting all this excess off, and then I will be either framing them or I will be putting them in my portfolio, probably in my portfolio most likely. So I will be doing that. But I have some other ideas for videos that I may be doing with these. So I'm, for now, just kind of making a pile of all of them so that I can show them to all of you guys. And hopefully at the end of it, I will have a montage of more than 30, I hope, depending on how things go. But yeah, so this one was really super cute. I like this one because there wasn't a ton of white. We did have some in the background here, but most of the background was this blue color, which is amazing. And then, of course, the elephant himself is this light gray, but I really like the pinks that were in the butterflies and the flowers and the little ladybug here. So I think this one turned out super cute. I'm really happy with this one. So this was day one. So then day two, this one I've actually had hanging around for a while, and I wanted to do it and I just hadn't got around to it. So this one is what I've termed my Curlicue rooster. And I really love the way this one looks. I love the ribbon look of the tail and coming off of the top of the comb and all of that. And I love the color scheme, this pink drill here. I really like that one. And then this kind of orangey gold. It's almost like a tangerine color. I'd never actually seen this drill color before, and I thought it was really pretty, so I saved that one. I had extras of it. My ABs here that I had extras of, I have put those in my random acts of kindness giveaways, so somebody might win extras of those ABs. So this one was day two, and of course, you know, it's a partial. It doesn't take that long, but it's a finish, so I'm counting it. Okay, so then the next one, because I cheated and I was trying to get a little bit ahead, I did another partial, which is this super cutie. And this one is from GBFKE. Oh, did I tell you where the rooster was from? The rooster was from Fan Cells. But you can probably find a lot of these at any of the budget companies. But I thought this unicorn was super cute. I love these big teardrops here, and then this it's almost like kind of an antique gold here in the frame and then in the hair. And the little unicorn horn and the little, again, with the ABs kind of going all the way around and around the unicorn. I just thought it was really super cute. So this one was day 3, GBKFFKE, and I am keeping track, you guys. At some point, I'm going to, I hope, have some information about these codes for the actual special shape drills. So I've already done a lot of research and have my little sheet about the custom colors for the crystals, and that sheet filled out for pretty much most of the DMC colors that are used in diamond painting. But because of these special drills, like the teardrop shapes and anything else, I'm trying to figure out what those are. So be looking for that. I'm still working on it. So this was day 3. And then day 4, I had to get back to full drills because I needed to get some stuff done. So I picked this little cutie from Diamond Art Gift, and this panda is adorable. I like it, one, because the background is blue, not white. And I just feel like, and I can even see here, even though I tried to straighten a bunch of it up, um, white just shows any kind of mistakes that you make if your drills aren't perfectly straight. The darker colors, even the yellows and stuff, hide it a little bit better than the actual white. White just shows all kinds of gapping. So, but anyway, I thought this little guy was just super cute. And so, I mean, there are some things that I don't think translated well from the image. This is actually supposed to be like a little star balloon that he's holding, and you can't really see the string from it like you can in the image, but he's still adorable. So, and I threw in some ABs in this one, so I think it turned out super cute. My ABs were, I think, 762, but yeah. And also on a lot of these, they're that newer style where, like right here on his paw, you can see there's some printing in the background of the drills that just, they put the image on and then they put the symbols on, so it helps hide some of the stuff in the background a little bit better. So yeah, so there is finish number 4. And this one is from Diamond Art Gift, if I didn't say that. And then on day 5, I was back to a partial because I'm pretty sure this was a weekend day and I had lots of other stuff going on, so I just kind of went for a quick one. Although this one didn't actually end up being as quick as I thought it was going to be. This is one from Paint Some Way, and in looking at the photo, I thought it was going to be like like one big drill here for his eye, one big drill here, one big drill here. And it turned out not to be that. This is a bunch of little black drills. This is different, like 3 different colors of purple ones. And it's fine. It still turned out really cute. It just didn't even as a partial, didn't end up being as fast as I thought it was going to be. So, but I really like all the little pearls here, the pink and white pearls in his little fluffy tail. And again, we've got all these little special codes here that I'm going to be trying to find and create a chart for. So we've got like some big purple ones here. We've got the big pearls, of course. We've got some pink marquee shaped ones. There's some pink round ones down here. So there were several different ones. There's some clear, larger rounds up here, some different ones so that I can keep adding to my collection. So this was day number 5. And then day number 6, I was back at fan cells, and you guys, how cute is this? Now, I got this one and I really love it. It's that kind of cartoon, halftone comic book style. And I will say it took me quite a bit longer than I thought it would because it is a lot of confetti. You can see here, it actually kind of ends up in some places being almost checkerboard because of that halftone style. But I really loved the colors in this. So I saved a lot of the reds and pinks out of this kit because, yeah, I think it turned out really well. But like I said, I think it turned out really well because it had a ton of confetti. So it ended up taking me quite a bit longer than I had anticipated or hoped. But it's done and it looks awesome. So this was day 6. And then day 7, I know you're thinking, oh, she went back to a partial, but no, I completed this little cutie. So this one was a chance for me to work on my multi-placing skills because it has this frame of all the yellow and then this huge background of green. And my multi-placing is not perfect. That's something I did want to mention to you guys. If you're scared of, my drills aren't perfect, don't be. Because yes, when you're up close and you're looking at them like this, you can see all of the mistakes. I can see all of my mistakes, but when move it around and start moving it away, you're never going to see them. So, don't be afraid to learn. Make a mistake. Make one on purpose, right? So this cute little guy is from Everyday eCrafts, and yeah, I just thought he was super cute. I wanted something kind of different. I had done a bunch of the reds and pinks in this one, so it was a nice change to do kind of the greens and yellows in this little guy. And I just think he's really cute, with his little shamrock. My husband has some Irish ancestry, so he was all over it. And the green's one of his favorite colors, so he really liked this one. So this was my day 7. And then this is day 8. And yes, I went back to a partial, but I got to fit some of them in there, right? And I realize it's not Christmas yet, but I only did one Christmas item last year. And I think I only did one Halloween one last year too. So I'm trying to kind of mix it up and do some more, holiday seasonal type stuff. And I saw this one, and I just thought it was really cute. Now, I will say, I like this one. I like the stars. Love that it's got my little codes here so I could add those codes to my list, because we've got yellow star or white stars, we've got gold stars, we've got these big uh, red and gold drills. I love the garland being made out of the ABs. I think it looks really good. My only complaint about this one is I feel like these big blue ones look a little weird. Like nothing else is that color. And so I kind of feel like maybe they should have stuck in, like, I don't know, something like down here, they tried to make it look like, a little ornaments with a little ribbon on top. But I just feel like the color is a little bit off. Maybe they could have picked a different color that would have been a little more cohesive, but it's still really cute and it's a finish. So I'm calling it a win. So there is, and oh, if I didn't say, this one is from Fan Cells, and this was day number 8. And then the next one is this one. And you guys, look at this little cute elephant. Another elephant, I know. This one is also from Fan Cells, but I saw this one. The original image is more like a watercolor kind of thing. So, some of it, I feel like maybe the colors could have been a little more pastel, a little more, like, I feel like the white in the elephant stands out a little too much. And this actually isn't even white, even though it looks white. This is like a really pale blue. And I just feel like maybe just a really light gray would have been a better choice. I know, again, that, in these budget kits, they're trying to limit the number of drills and the number of colors so that they, don't have to put a whole bunch of drills in one little kit. But I just, yeah, that part of it did not thrill me, but I still think it's a cute diamond painting. And again, got practice with the multi-placer. I think I'm getting better. I feel like I did a much better job with the outside of this one. 4 is still my sweet spot. I can work really well with a 6, and I think I'm doing really well with a 9. The 10 still kind of gets me every now and then, but I'm getting better. So at some point, I'll jump up to the 15. So, yeah. So other than that, oh, and then something else I wanted to mention, this background color here, for whatever reason, usually your dark colors are the ones that have a lot of trash. This particular color had a lot of trash. Although I will say I had lots of extra drills, because I actually had, I think, 2 bags of extra drills that wouldn't fit in my little container when I kitted this one up. And I actually spilled, I knocked the baggie into the floor. That would be why I don't work from baggies. And I spilled the drills everywhere. So I got them all swept up, but of course they'd been on the floor, and so they were all, had dust and dirt and everything in them. And I thought, oh, please. I had more than enough to do the entire painting, and I still had some left over. So I was able to throw, a pretty decent chunk of the drills away in the trash and not have to try and pick out all the dust and dirt and have usable drills. So I got plenty of drills with this one to do. So super happy about that. So yeah, there you go, guys. I'm having lots of fun just kind of seeing not only if I can finish everything, but also if I can you know, it's fun to look at all these different paintings and see, even just this far in, see all the different things that I've been able to finish in the short amount of time that I've been doing this. So, I mean, I have so many, I can't even get them all on the screen. So, yeah, super stoked about all of these and really happy that I've done this. It's going to get me definitely to some of my goals, my finish goals and all of that. I'm pretty confident at this point anyway. That may change, but at this point, I'm pretty confident that I'm going to make my 30 finishes. And I'm actually even trying to think if I can finish more than 30. I don't know if I'll have enough canvases, though. That's the thing. I do have enough to definitely do the 30. But I thought I would have some more that I've ordered here by now. And I guess supply chain issues and whatnot, things just haven't gotten to me as quickly as I thought they would. So still crossing my fingers that maybe a couple of them will show up before the end of the month. But yeah, again, just really happy with how many I've been able to finish so far and how cute they're all turning out. So, and I thought I would give you guys a chance to kind of see them before I do get any further into the challenge. And like I said, I hope to do a recap at the end of this where I'll have like a little montage and I'll show them all to you. But I'm proud of how far I've gotten, so I wanted to share that with you guys. So there you go. There are my first 9 finishes. If you follow me on Instagram, then you'll be seeing my pictures of these. I try to take a start picture and an end picture. So you can see those on my Instagram. I'm at diamondpaintinganonymous over on Instagram. You can also see the pictures over in my Facebook group, or you can follow the Facebook page. I'm posting the pictures mostly in the group though, so if that's what you're looking for, join the group. You can find links for all of my socials down below. And yeah, because there's so many canvases, I don't think I'm going to try and put links to all of them below. But yeah, if you have a question, just leave a comment and I can tell you which ones. I tried to tell you which companies were which as I went through, but I can certainly find links if somebody absolutely wants one of these canvases. So yeah, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Hit that subscribe button. That helps me out even more. And hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching.